our topic of business studies, that is nature and significance of management. Firstly, we will understand the term management. It is very difficult to define a vast subject like management in few words. It is the process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. So, as you can see in this definition, three terms are mentioned, that is process, efficiency and effectiveness. So let's see one by one why these concepts are very important in management. Now we'll see why management is described as a process. It is described as a process because all managers, irrespective of their individual abilities and aptitudes, these are concerned with interrelated activities with a view to achieve desired goals. To sum up, management is an integrated process. It is not a series of separate or exclusive functions. A manager often performs many of these functions simultaneously, that is, guiding, coordinating, controlling, etc. Effectiveness and efficiency both are the essence of management. Effectiveness refers to doing the right task, completing the activities, and achieving goals. In other words, it underlines the end results. Efficiency refers to doing the task correctly and with minimum cost. It is therefore important for management to achieve the desired goals with minimum resources, that is, as efficiently as possible, while maintaining balance between effectiveness and efficiency. Now we'll see the features of management. Management is an activity with guiding human and physical resource in such a manner that organizational goals are achieved as desired. Management is a group activity. It involves the use of group efforts in the pursuit of predetermined objectives. Every employee should surrender his personal interest before the collective interest of the business. It is a continuous or ongoing process. Management process goes on so long an organization is alive. So, management is an ongoing process. It is also a universal process. The principles of management are of universal application. They are not the monopoly of industry alone but can be applied in any field or area where group effort is needed. Management is goal oriented. It deals with the achievement of something specific expressed as an objective or goal. Functions of management. Management is an activity consisting of a distinct process, the management process, which is primarily concerned with the important task of goal achievement. Various functions of management are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. Now we will discuss about the term planning. Planning is the process of determining in advance what is to be done, how it is to be done, where, when and by whom it is to be done. In other words, planning is selecting information and making assumptions regarding the future to ascertain activities necessary to achieve organizational objectives. Now we will discuss the term what is organizing. The organizing function demarcates clear-cut lines of authority and responsibility in an organization. The organizing functions of management brings together human and physical resources in an orderly manner. Staffing. The planning and organizing functions require that an enterprise be staffed with the most competent people available. Thus, it involves placing the right person for the right job at the right time. Now, we'll discuss the term directing. Directing is said to be a process in which the manager instructs, guides, the performance of the workers to achieve predetermined goals. Directing also involves inspiring the subordinates to work in a desirable direction and to put in their best. Controlling. Controlling implies the power or authority to direct, order, or restrain. It also implies a standard of comparison for the results of any operation or experiment. It may be defined as comparing the operating results with plans and taking corrective actions when the results deviate from plans. Now we will discuss the three levels of management. Upper management or top management, middle management, and supervisory or lower management. Top management consists of board of directors and its chairman, chief executives, president, managing director, general manager, etc. Middle management consists of senior executives such as purchase officer, personnel officer, sales officer, finance officer, etc. Supervisory or lower level management consists of senior supervisors, intermediate supervisors, frontline supervisors, etc. Now, we will discuss the functions of levels of management. Firstly, we will understand the meaning of top management. Top management is at the head of the organization. It consists of the representatives of shareholders. The functions of top management are as follows. It determines the objectives. They use to frame the policies, to assemble the resources, to control the operations. Now, what is middle level management? Middle level management is mainly concerned with the task of executing the policies and plans chalked out by the top management. Their functions are to explain the policy decisions taken by the top management, to serve as a link between the top management and a supervisory management, to take the department decisions, to develop the leaders, etc. Supervisory or lower level management. It is mainly concerned with the supervision and direction of operative employees. It consists of factory superintendents, foremen, office supervisors, section officers, etc. Their functions are to issue order and instructions to workers, to direct and guide the workers, to solve the problem of the workers, to advise the middle management about the work environment, etc. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, and for more videos please like, share and subscribe the channel.